Welcome to PerfectIt, the leading software for proofreading bid and proposal documents. PerfectIt locates difficult to find errors such as consistency mistakes and style issues. To start PerfectIt, get the free trial from our website, then just load it from MS Word. Click Start to Run and PerfectIt scans your document. The first check it runs is hyphenation. Where it finds a possible inconsistency, it gives you a choice. Here it finds cooperation with and without a hyphen. Every decision is left to the user. You choose the version you prefer. So let's choose cooperation without a hyphen, then all possible locations to fix as shown below. Check each location, look at the context carefully, and click Fix for any items you want to change. If you change your mind, click Undo. Now we've made hyphenation consistent, let's click Next to move to the next check. Here the word organize takes an S in some locations, but a Z in others. Depending on what country you're in, both spellings might be allowed, but they don't normally belong in the same document. If we prefer the version with the S, we click that. Then below are all the locations to fix. If we prefer the version with the Z, we click that. Then we fix these ones instead. Still, we always check the context. English has lots of exceptions, and there might be a direct quote or other reason for the inconsistency. Let's click Next again. PerfectIt looks for abbreviations and their definitions, and it finds if the abbreviation is used before a definition, if it's defined twice, and lots of other issues. This one is PerfectIt's check for abbreviations that haven't been defined. To correct this, we can move to the document and back to PerfectIt to make changes as we go. I click the location, then switch over to make the changes in Word, fill in the definition, then click back to PerfectIt for the next location. When we're done, click Next. Here's PerfectIt's check for capitalization of phrases. In this document, it finds the word government with a capital and with a lowercase g. What you can see is that errors that might take hours to find are corrected in seconds. And there's so much more. You can use PerfectIt to generate a table of abbreviations. And if we go back to the beginning, you can see all of the checks available. We can use PerfectIt to check bulleted lists, numbers in sentences, headings, and much more. The time saving is incredible. Microsoft's proposal team uses PerfectIt, and in a survey, they found each of their proposal writers saved an average of 1 hour per week. PerfectIt is inexpensive, so those time savings mean that it pays for itself almost instantly. And that's not all. You can build your house style and your client's preferences into PerfectIt, so you can enforce branding rules and have the confidence that your document will make the best impression. Get the free trial or buy now to start correcting your text and saving time today.